Hey guys, welcome back. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and attempt to fix the big gap. I've got a full tank of MIG gas, so wish me luck. And what I'm using is this copper coated steel rod. It's a welding rod, basically this, which I use for filler rod. I know Bad Chad uses coat hangers, but I think this is a bit more professional. So I'm going to basically bend the metal like that and, along the curve, and then tack it in. So I'm probably have to start about here and go down right down to the end with at least one. And for some places where it's wider, I'll have to double up, put more wire in, like another layer of wire. Up here, I don't know what I'm going to do up here. This I might just have to use tacks, just tack to get my gap correct. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that, but I'm probably going to aim to get, this is fairly consistent here, I'm going to try and keep that same gap all the way along if I can. Okay, so I got my first one on. It's level. Obviously I'm going to have to weld it all. I'm getting close up here to where I want to be. Zoom out there so you can see what we're talking about. Up here I'm getting close to where I want to be. So I'm going to focus on sort of from here down to close the gap. I only set fire to the car once so far, so that's pretty good. So I got 2 rows up to about here. That's down to single row. So I'm going to close it. So we got yeah, actually I'm happy with that. That's pretty good. A wee bit more down there. And then up there. Excellent. Well, there it is, all done. Nice gap. Now I just got to do the other side. Thanks for watching. So I put some fiberglass filler over it to cover any pinholes, which I don't think I had any pinholes. And a little smear of Bondo on top of that, and now it's looking really good, really good. I might break this edge a bit sharp, but that's fine. I also welded the 2 halves of the hood together there, just to give it more strength. So the next step is do the gaps on the other side, which will be a whole nother adventure. So, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.